How to sign up for Canva affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up the link provided in the description and you just have to follow the instructions and you would be able to do it. If you are an individual creator, then you would be able to join this program, but it is not that easy. You will have to fill up the details and it would take a little while before you get the response from the Canva team. So if you are an agency or a company trying to get the affiliate program, then you might not be able to get any success while trying so. And also all the commissions for the previous affiliate program of Canva has been given out and will be given out for eligible conversions. But now on, Canva has changed its program and they have started this Canva setup program for the new eligible people, and for that I will provide the link in the description and this is how it will appear. After that, over here you can check out about this particular program and what it is all about. Also, if you have been creating engaging social media content and tutorials, then they would be happy to have you on their team and give you the partnership of their program and get you the link for your affiliates. Also, it is available for Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook and LinkedIn. Mostly all the major platforms are added over here, and if you create content on these platforms, then it would be easier for you to get into the program. But there are some more conditions to it, like if you give out the Canva values, then you would be able to get it. If you are an independent creator, then it would be easy. If you are a brand or agency, then they would not be accepting your applications. Also, you need to have an active and engaging social media audience in order to get the affiliate program link. In order to get into this particular affiliate program, also you would have to commit on creating and publishing at least one piece of Canva related tutorial or feature per month on one of your specified platforms. Like on these platforms, you would have to give out content related to Canva at least once per month. Also, you need to abide and follow the Canva's branding and other guidelines in order to fulfill the conditions. Make sure that you check out the Canva's trademark policy, and this way you would not be breaching up any of the conditions of the Canva's team. And also you would be getting a special Canva setup badge for getting into this particular program. You would be getting beta testing opportunities for the future releases. Releases, and you would also be getting educational workshops and webinars, and you would also be able to collaborate with Canva on different events, and there are some more perks of getting into this particular program. Also, if you want to join up, you just have to click on this option of apply now, but it might take 6 to 8 weeks for a response from the Canva team, which is like a long period. You might even forget after applying that you have applied for Canva. And just simply click on this option of apply and you would be redirected to this particular page where you would see most of the information from the previous page itself. And over here it will ask you to provide some general information about you, like your first name, last name, your email address that is associated with your Canva account, and your country where you live in, the city where you live in, and also the communities that you are part of, and also some more details about you. And after giving out all these information, you would be asked some more questions. You have to provide these answers in a most transparent way in order to show that you are honest, and then provide some more information about you. You will also be requiring impact ID and some more details about your other social media platforms, and most of these are not that mandatory. Even if you don't have some of these, then it's okay. And after providing all these information, they would also ask you about your Canva related questions, and just give out these information and tick these boxes and click on this option of submit, and this way you would be able to apply for this Canva affiliate program. So I hope this particular video was helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and also like this video. See you in the next video.